Hello guys and welcome back to the another live stream. Another video of Blender. So we are going to um, make a lantern today. So I have some image of that which I'm gonna use as a reference and let's see. Yeah, this is the first image. So just I'll drag and drop here. Okay, I don't think that will happen. So yeah, like this. Maybe I'll just scale it a little bit like this. So we have a basic model of a lantern and we are now going to make it. So select the circle and just, yeah, G, just try to take it in the middle. It's really hard to find it. Then go in the edit mode, extrude the Z axis again like this. Then I get E, X, extrude, E, sorry, then S. Okay, we don't need to press the E. So S, then we will just bevel this later. Then go up this on the Z axis. Stop here. Then again E to extrude on the Z axis like this, and then S to scale it down. Again E on the Z. It's really easy actually. And then again E. Sorry, not the E, but the S. Yeah. So now what we need to do is we need to do is press E uh, and IMS. So it goes like this. See, yeah, and then again E and Z. It goes like this, and again E, Z, S, just F. Our lantern's base is completed, and now we need to do the glass thing. So for that, just go in the this mode and select this vertices, one, two, yeah, and then we need to go like ES like this, then again E, go like this a little bit on the Z axis, and S, and then we are not going to make as it look like same to same, but we are going to try to make it same to same because I'm new, so as we all are new, so I'm just trying to make it look like a lantern, not actually copying it, but trying to look like lanterns. So now again we need to go on the x-axis and then S, scale it like this, and again on the z-axis, then again a little bit, yeah, and press X like this, and just press F. So this part is this, and this part will be our glass part. All right, so now we are going to face this part. For that, just E like this. I get E, press E and S to scale it down. E, go like this, and again E and S and go like this. I get E, go like this, S, this, this, E and S, and then E like this, and E, a little bit S, E, E, and S, scale it, and the E, go all the way, and S, and then just, yeah. So this is our base model. It already looked cool, and it really didn't took that much time. So yeah, and now the thing is, we need to make this handle kind of thing. For that, I'm going to use a plane. Okay, and I'll just scale it and rotate it to the x-axis like this. And oh my god, it's really big. So like this, I'll just this and more like this. G in the x-axis. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'll just select this plane, tab in the edit mode, and press 2, and I'll just delete this edge so I get this thing, and then again I press 1, go in the vertices, but for now, right now, go in the object mode, press C, sorry, press G and X, and like this. Okay, and now go in the edit mode, vertices, press G, go all the way like this, the X axis, yeah. And now, as per your requirement, you can now adjust or give the bevel to it. Or I'll just do like this. I'll just go like G and C a little bit, and G and X like this. Okay, and after that, what I'm going to do is Shift D on the Z axis, and I will just rotate it on the Z axis, like from above. I need to see this. So R and Z. So G and Z. G and X. I'm still confused between. So we got this two things. And now I'm going to hide the background so you can see these things are our handles. Now what we are going to do is we need to convert this to curve. So here you can see the curve going to geometry, and the geometry add depth to it. So for this, let's see. Mm, just keep it like this, and you need to do the same to this. Going the Just convert to curve, jet 6. Yeah, and now it more. Just mm, pull this. Press B, Y. Okay. So basically we need to convert this both again to mesh. I can't convert it. Why? Not to mesh. Yeah. And now just go in the tab mode. Select this, but it will be to yeah. See like this. Just will be the same here. We need to do is will be this and control B. Okay, so now uh, we will join this, but before that we need to do one more thing is that is go in geometry mode and we have to select this geometry these. Yeah, not this one but this one and press. Okay, make sure you don't need to select the inside and now press P and selection. So let's see if it is moving or not. Yeah, so it is moving like this. So it's gonna be the glass material and yeah. So let's go back in the edit mode again. Now we need to give everything will be control. I mean alt and control. So as you can see, it is looking like a curve. So maybe I'll just add one loop cut here and just scale it like this and give it a little bit of bevel. Okay, so it does look good so far, as I'm also new to modeling and I'm still learning things. But wow, I did a really good job there. And now what we are going to do is we're going to do the same. Go in the edit mode and we need to do as much as we have to give as much bevel as we can because nothing is sharper than a knife. Only knife is sharper. So I'll just scale it like this to make it look like yeah. Okay, and scale this one to the higher ground and this one to more higher. So let's see what is okay. Yeah, everything is fine inside. I thought like this thing will be also be um gonna scale. So yeah, it is not. That is good. Add a bevel here like this. Add a bevel here, but no, it's like this. Okay, looking much better as I never expected this topology to be looking this much clean. And okay, so what we need to do is now select this, add a modifier, generate, and subdivision modifier. Okay, and just render to maybe 4. No, 2 is fine. 1 is fine. Yeah. What the hell? What just happened to these things? Okay, so now before doing that, I completely forgot like we need to do something here. Okay, and not sure how do I make holes here, but what I'm gonna do is just control R, this control R, maybe this much. So select the faces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or maybe more like this. Yeah, and I'll just okay. Okay. And delete faces. And now, as we can see, we have given it okay. Script. Let's see. No, I cannot do that, but as you can see, this look really great without a modifier. So shade smooth, shade auto smooth, but I guess I'll just okay. Let's okay. So within 20 minutes, we are able to make this all And but I need to hide this. Before that, there are some things we need to fix. Yeah, the thing is this. Okay, go in this mode. Go in the face selection mode. I need to select this, and I need to, okay, not like this. I'll just add a look over here. So it's not going all the way down. And then delete the faces. And let's see. Oh wow. Okay. And this, three, delete it. Yeah. So it's oh, and also I forgot to give the bevel modifier here. Let's control. Okay, press control. Oh, sorry, alt. No, no, you don't need that. Press alt, control P. No, go control B it is. And go like this. Yeah. And yeah, if you wanna do some sculpting part over here, and oh, then you should like do it, because it's gonna look more realistic though. So maybe I'll just try. Let's see. Okay, a little bit like this. So what is this? So it's going. Oops, sorry. Maybe we will just add some uh, rust in it. Just smooth it like on the strength. Now let's see. So much going on here, so I'll just, yeah, this looking good. And maybe we will just do it here a little bit. This last little bit of this thing. All right, that's it. Then just shade smoother. I mean, just to make it smoother. And let's see. No, okay, no, yeah, this good. This look good. Uh, we're not doing anything for the upper part, and yeah. So basically, it's already 25 minutes. Our lantern is ready, and we are really going to render it on the cycle, the about GPU compute. Uh, yeah, and I'm going to add some add-ons for the metal thing. Where is the metal material? Metal. Yeah, and we're going to add some rusty old metal like this. For apply. And yeah, first of all, we need to add the lighting. Just the lighting. Yeah, go above away, like 1000, and go more above. Let's go. It looked really good. So yeah, just add it for both of them. And now let's see. This lantern looks amazing, but the thing is, we are going to paint it black. So we need to go in the shaders mode. This. This much is fine. Yeah, just join the area again back. So basically, this is our area. I mean, the land, and yeah, I totally forgot to make the handle, but yeah, I will make it. As you know, I have not joined this thing yet, like everything together. So we need to do that, but before that, we need to give the um, texture to the glass itself. So for such material, hang the glass material. So it's gonna be not that fancy. Okay, let's try this. The first one. Let's see now. It is looking amazingly beautiful. Like really beautiful. Okay, we are done here. Um, but it's already 30 minutes, so we will just continue for the next step. After this, what we are going to do is hide this and take a mesh plane, and on the y-axis scale it down, on the r and x-axis, sorry, yeah, maybe sorry, r and x-axis will be perfect. Then scale it down to on the x-axis again, scale it down on the z-axis too. Okay, and then what we are going to do is just select it, z-axis. We are going to make let me see, the fire out of it. So let's write it like this. Go inside, in the edit mode, select vertices, select both the vertices, go like this, and just keep it, go a little bit. Okay, and then we're going to add again a U sphere. Let me see the, no, not the icosphere, but UV sphere we needed. So here's the UV sphere. Scale it down a little bit. See, like this. Maybe more. Yeah, go in the edit mode. Then we need to turn on the proportional editing by pressing 0 and just hold it G and just you know this and more G. Uh, I'm really bad at the proportional editing though, so I'll just do this G Z like this. Then again I'll just select this, then G Z. Then again I'll just select this, go G and Z until I make something like drop G and Z like this. Yeah, perfect. Select it, shade smooth it, and more, or maybe you can just add some modifier here to subdivision modifier. Yeah, that's it. Smooth it again. So just, I guess, we'll just apply it to right away. Go to this, X like this. Now, what I'm going to do is just select this, add a modifier, solidify modifier. Just a little bit, not too much. That is fine. Just hold both of them. Step. So, and we are going to give this material. Please don't crash. Please don't crash. Okay. Okay. Save. So let's add it. New principal emission. Give it this color. Let's go in. Okay. So it is looking great, but the thing is, we are going to add a light, and for that, we are going to add a spot. What is wrong with it? It's really hard to keep it on point though, but just let's see. Basically, our lantern is it's going to hide everything. And now what I'm going to do is add a cube. Cube, kill it like this, and scale it on the x-axis to like this. So for now, we are inside it. Go in the edit mode, and now select the face. Control R, Control R. Now again, Control all this, Control R. Again, Control R. Okay, so select the face, then press double I. Oh my god. No, again, select the face. I, not this, but double I. Yes, select the face. P, selection, just select another part. Okay, so now this is different from the whole texture thing. And now what we're going to do is give um okay, so just them a little bit I guess I'll just delete the faces. Yeah, we are just easy to model this. Basically, now what we are going to do is to bubble it. Wow, just extrude it a little bit on the height and then bevel it, I guess. Yeah, just shade smooth it. Right. I made a mistake. So like this, and give them a material of wood, the wooden texture. Okay, doesn't matter right now, but now we are going to give it a glass texture, and the glass will be this glass. And for the whole house, it is going to be concrete pulling. Let's say concrete floor. Okay, apply. Then we'll just add. Let's see. I need to separate this. I forgot to do that. So now I'm going to separate this. Yeah. Okay, so I'm not going to take a lot of time here. I'll just do this thing. Let's see. Okay, so uh, this is fine. This is fine actually, and I'll just hold it z axis, take it on the, oh no, uh, g and y axis like this, and I'll just, yeah, they are both in a perfectly uh, good way, but I'll just adjust this little bit on the x-axis like this, and I'll just rotate it on the z-axis. This got R and Z. Yeah, and then what I'm going to do is add a plane, scale it, then edit mode E, Z, just like this. Just adjust this z-axis. Yeah, and we need to just move this here, and then I'm gonna scale it down like this, more this way. Is it placed properly? Yes, it is placed properly. Okay, and now what are we going to do is, okay, it's already 47 minutes. Uh, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to give it material of wood. Let's see. How does it look? It's working. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to add another, this one, generic something something. Yeah, it is looking good now. And now I'm going to add a little bit darkish color on the windows too. Yeah, so I'll keep it like that. And just little, but not that good. So I'm going to add an SDRI, gradient texture, environment texture. Yeah, environment texture, but I don't have any SDRI. So what I'm going to do is, I'm gonna um, Blender kit. I'm gonna enable the Blender kit. That's weird. So yeah, we are going to do this. God, please don't just crash. Yeah, finally. Go in the HDRI and just we need to search for the rain. This looks, no. So, a railway track. We don't need a railway track. This is far away. But this look good. Can we try it? Let's see. don't know what that spotlight. It's gonna be like this. All right. I'm gonna be really quick now because it's already 1 hour. Add a plane, rotate Z x-axis 90 degree, and now scale it on the x a little bit, Z a little bit, just uh, G, bring it up, just G, the y-axis, G and the x-axis like this. Yeah, just scale it, just go this way, and the x-axis, G and x-axis, like this. Do the same. Let's control Shift T, G, and X. Just go here and yeah, perfect. Perfect. And yeah, just add a loop cut. Not. Yeah, that's it. And now again, just like this and the x-axis extrude. Yeah, z-axis a little bit down. Yeah, and now we're going to texture it. The texture shade smooth. No, just subdivide everything. This what is not subdividing. And let's just go here, edit mode, subdivide a few times, and then again just add this material here. So add this material, and hold this like everything. Go a little bit above this. So this is our basically the scene, but let let's see. Okay, so again add another mesh. I mean plane. Scale it like this. Duplicate it move it in the z-axis. Just the safer side, move it more to this axis. Yeah, alright. Now just duplicate it, paste it here. I know I'm making a lot of mistake here, but I just do a lot of mistakes. Now go in the edit mode. Okay, we can't go in the edit mode, but just yeah, that is better. Let's see now. So, so before that, just Control A, power transformation. Let's do it. Okay, and now we're going to add some asset over here. I mean, some trees. So just add this tree. Okay, go like this. Maybe here, and open our geoscatter. Select the object. Scatter object. So just place it like this. Okay, it is somehow looking so much smaller. So I'll just a little bit bigger, like a bit more like this. Okay, that is fine. And again, manual scatter. Yeah. Okay. Still, why? Doesn't matter. Okay. So just exit it and distribution surface. Okay. Z axis increase. Y axis increase. And X axis increase. Speed. We're going to the random vertical. Just dice it. Feature mask. Nothing. For the display port, visibility display goes display add this, so it doesn't give you the um, you know the proper this thing. It doesn't lag out of your thing. And let's see. Okay, where is that? I have selected this. Just enable it. Render. Scene name. Scene has no active cam. Oh, okay. What the? I'm so stupid. Camera. Just start. This. Yes, so it is not looking good. Okay. The thing is with the glass here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is um, I am going to increase more trees. Okay. Go in the geoscatter, manual scattering. So basically we need trees over here like this. Yeah, that's it. Again, go this display port and give this thing. I'm not sure about the glass texture, but I guess I should just um, remove the glass texture. It's not helping at all. So, sorry, it didn't go. Just add the glass VSTF. That's it. Zero. Let's see now. Okay, it is looking good, but the trees are messing it up. So I'm going to delete the trees like this. Trees. Yeah. And now let's see. Still not looking good. So going to delete this as well. And now what I'm going to do is select this uh, quick scatter. Okay. See, I can see there are spawning like 5 to 10 trees like this, and that is not good. And single object maybe. Let's try. Why? Uh, let's see this. Maybe it will help. Let's try. Why? So basically, we need to add. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to manually add everything. I know that's gonna be really consuming, but we have to do it. Just add it. Okay, so it's gonna be my longest tutorial or learning. So now what I'm going to do is all this light, give it yellowish tint. Then you want to render it. And also, for the animation object of this, for the materials, just go up, animation, white. Now let's see. Up. Okay, we are going to add one more. Okay, not this, but yeah, light. Wait, rotate like this. Just give it like a little bit darkish color. And just enter it. Okay, it does look good, but we can do more actually. Yeah, we can, and we have to do more, but not right now. Right now, just okay. The thing is fine. This thing is pretty much looking good, the outer surface, but we can see the topology is not good. We have to work on it. I mean, I have to work on it, and the emission thing. Okay, so what we are going to do is look at this. We don't need that anymore, and now like this. So rotate. So maybe this one is fine. Bump. We don't need aspect ratios. Fine. Roughness. Damage. Then fine. Rotation. Okay. Get out. Just stop here. Although I'm not happy with my um that thing. But at least we try to make something. Okay. So now, oh, so let's see. Okay, so the GPU thing is out. Interior heavy, glossy surface volume, wall environment, and okay. So one thing again, we are going to add a plane over here. Where's the camera? Yeah. So control as add a empty as a plane and bring it up to the camera. Like just side this thing. Now select the camera, motion will simplify. So is depth of field, just for it to 0, and now select, just focus, go in the render. Let's see. Okay, so um, yeah, I'll just okay. So I'm gonna keep it like this, and I will just end the video here. And I will just keep it like this because I don't think so. Will be able to make it more realistic, because if I try, it's gonna be really bad. So I'll just stop this. As you all knows, I'm still learning. Blender is really new to me. Also, this whole 3D thing is really new to me. So yeah, and I'm learning it by my own, so it's really hard. So I'll just stop it and get satisfied what have I made out of a cube. So yeah. So that's it for today's video, and thank you for tuning in. Keep watching, keep supporting. Also, please don't forget to like. Yeah, that really helped me and promotes the video. For more of the student who will need to learn, who makes mistake, that's totally fine. Everyone makes mistakes, even I make mistake, and I don't even know how many times I have make mistake in this video. So please let me know, and let me know the solution too, and how to improve myself. So thank you very much once again.